Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can freeze frame inside Capcut. This is actually very basic and beginner friendly, so let's move on to it. I'm going to use this car clip for an example, and let's say that I want to pause it just right here. So I'm selecting the clip, highlighting it, and then I'm selecting right button on the mouse and select edit, which is located right here. And I have a few options: mirror, rotate, crop, reverse, and freeze. You want to select freeze, and now Capcut is creating you this section right here, which is a default length of 3 seconds that is going to freeze the clip. If you want to end the clip right here, you can just delete the last part. If you don't want, if you want to continue, you just have to leave it. So this is what I'm having. Normal clip playing through, now it's going to freeze for 3 seconds. And after those 3 seconds, it's going to continue the clip. Of course, this is adjustable. You can either decrease the freeze time, so you're going to have just about half a second right now, or also you can increase it and make it like to 5 seconds. So this is how you can freeze in Capcut. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.